Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to boost bass on your Samsung S25. To boost bass sounds, just go to the settings, then go to sounds and vibration. Now, as you scroll down, at some point you'll see sound quality and effects, and go to Equalizer. Now, you can, I think the best option is to just click on bass boost. It'll boost the basses, and that's basically it. These two options are grayed out because your internal speakers do not support these frequencies like 63 or 125. But if you have some external speakers or headphones that do support it, then they can these bars can also be adjusted. You can also manually adjust these bars, but don't go too far because I think that the sound won't be too fun. I mean, it may sound flat if you like set all the basses to like this and then the mids and the trebles low, then it won't really sound good. But if you want, you can just set it to, I personally, if I want to boost the basses, I set it to something like this. This is my go-to setting for bass boost, and I purposely set the 2K lower than the other ones, but it's all up to your choice and feel free to experiment with that. Just don't be creeped out if the sound is flat. The equalizer is just, for your you can change so much in it, so much parameters in it that it can turn out flat. Feel free to just put it to balanced or bass boost, the automatic presets. There are different ones, by the way. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.